So how to open a savings account on Halifax. So to apply for a Halifax savings account, you can do it on the app and it takes no time at all. So once you're on the Halifax app, you simply just want to click apply right at the bottom. Then once you're on apply, scroll down to savings and click on compare savings and cash ISAs. Then once you've done that, you'll then be given a list of all the different savings accounts and ISAs available to you on Halifax. So you just want to go ahead and pick the right one for you. So for the example of this video, we're going to go with Everyday Saver. Then once you've selected the savings account for you, you can go ahead and read it for more information, check you're happy with the terms, and if you are, you can go ahead and click on confirm and continue at the bottom. Then once you've done that, you can then confirm where you want your interest to go. So for the example of this video, we're just going to pay interest into the new account. Then after that, click open account. And then after that, your new savings account is open and you'll be given the new sort code and account number. And if you go back to the home page, you should see your new savings account in your Halifax dashboard. And it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.